recording. A triple check, actually. Give me a couple.
1 2 1 2. Babaloo. What's going on, guys? It's Tommy from Galpin Autosports, and we here at Galpin Autosports have the privilege of working on Broncos, both new and old. And today I have a treat for you guys. We're going to review our retro Bronco. Let's go check it out. So behind me, we have a 2022 Bronco Badlands Edition, two-door, equipped or finished in. Let's start again. Sorry.
Come on!
So behind me, I have a 2022 Bronco Badlands Edition, finished in Eruption Green. We started off with this car that already looks beautiful and wanted to come up with a theme to it. So we dubbed it the retro theme. The gas team and I got together and came up with a color palette and an idea for it. We wanted to paint the roof and the grille kind of traditionally to how classic Broncos were painted. So we identified a paint. This paint color ended up being a Ferrari color that we chose out of our book, and we thought that it complemented the Eruption Green because, in my opinion, when you look at the Eruption Green, you see a little bit of yellow underneath it or kind of deep within the paint, and I think that color complements it well. We went and painted the roof that color, we went and painted the grille that color, and then we transversely painted the Bronco lettering the car color to match that in and tie that in. And next we looked at the overall vehicle and thought we definitely need to do something with the wheels. The tires were already 35-inch Goodyear tires because the vehicle is a Sasquatch package, so we wanted to leave those 35s on, but the wheels we wanted to go something old school looking. And ProComp helped us out with getting a set of their 17-inch classic looking wheels and a polished finish. We wanted to make sure that the body itself had some tie-ins to the color. So the body, you can see there's a predominant body line that runs along the side of the vehicle. So we've outlined that body line in the color. And then we've taken a step further and done the emblems as well. So the emblems are mimicking what the top and body color on the vehicle are. Just like any other Bronco, you have a full-size spare back here. So when you look at these Broncos, the Broncos are always going to sit higher in the rear than the front, and that's for payload capacity. But we wanted the vehicle to sit flat. So what we did is we got a zone leveling kit and leveled out the front end by an inch to give it that even look all throughout the vehicle. This vehicle is equipped with a 2.3-liter EcoBoost motor, but the coolest part about it, in my opinion, is that it has a 7-speed manual transmission. So not only is the outside an attention-grabbing vehicle, but the inside is going to be a fun vehicle to drive for the new owner. This vehicle also has a couple of awesome options that you would definitely want off-roading, which it has the front and rear differential lockers, and has an option that all the Broncos come with, which is the turn assist, which is an awesome feature to have on the trail. Moving up here, a small little touch, but we took out off the factory badge and we put in a retro Bronco logo, and we actually painted this on while we did the rest of the paint work. One of the last upgrades we did is anytime you're off-roading, you definitely want to be visible and have visibility. So we threw on a set of Baja Designs 8-pillar lights and we tied it into the factory upfitter switches. And this is going to give you the visibility you need, whether you're off-roading at day or night. So this wraps up our retro Bronco review. I know a lot of you guys online were asking about this and had questions, so this was our way of giving you guys more information regarding this build. And if you guys are interested in it, this is for sale over at Galpin Ford. So I'm going to go take it over there and get it ready for its new owner.